Hello, my name is Ruta and welcome to my channel in today's video. As you know from the title of the video, we're going to be cleaning out some makeup today and getting rid of some stuff. I broke my no-buy for the first time in like 4 years and bought some new makeup. And that calls for cleaning out some old shit. There are some things that I've just been holding on to that I don't like. So there's some things in here that just got to go, and my desk is a nightmare right now and I'm really embarrassed to show you, but I will in 1 second. Anyways, I have one drawer for makeup, so I definitely need to kind of condense and organize. Let me show you what we're looking like. This is so bad. Okay. Anyways, so this drawer right here is where I keep all my makeup. It has been to the brim with stuff, and so a lot of it is on my desk right now. I think I'm gonna set you up like this, and we're kind of just gonna work through this and figure out what the heck I'm doing with all this, you know, because like this is so stressful. First of all, trash. 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 I just had to throw this away because look how stunning the Auric packaging is. Like, I wish I could display that, but that's like, I don't have anywhere. So, sad, but hey, Sam, this is the most beautiful packaging ever. Anyways, trash. Going back to here. I guess I should like just unload everything onto my desk and go from here. First things first, what I'm gonna keep. This is a backup of a foundation and they are now extinct. Just kidding, this is Rose Inc. They got bought out with the company that now bankrupted. So I don't know what they're gonna be doing with this, so I bought another one for when I use mine up. This foundation is this. I'm obsessed. It's so beautiful and I'm so sad because this is also like a more non-toxic, better for you like line, which really sucks. I just got this setting spray, so obviously this is gonna stay. Then I still really do like the Auric Glow. Obviously, also so beautiful packaging. I'm gonna keep this. I don't have that much in here, but this is in the color Selenite, in case you're wondering what color I am. I've had this for like 2 years now, and it's still not super banged up, so quality-wise, also nice. Okay. Is this even my color? This is the Smashbox Always On Skin Balancing Foundation. Let's compare this to the, so this is my Rose Inc. and then this is the Always On. I think I'm actually gonna keep that because maybe when I get tan, that could be a good shade. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna just scooch you right on over. I have 2 concealers. I have the NARS, which is new, so I'm gonna keep that. And then I have this Lawless concealer, which I didn't even know I had. And I think the Lawless could be a nice concealer as well. I don't know, I'm gonna keep these 2 for now. Okay, I moved you a little bit more so you can see more. This is a beautiful duo. This is the Merit Serum and Moisturizer. 10 out of 10 for both of these. I'm gonna keep them. These are the Merit foundations and I love them. There is a little bit in them, so I'm gonna keep them until I'm like super done with them. I do need to start shoving things back there. Let's get rid of these things because these were atrocious and I hated them. These are the Smashbox Halo, and it's the 4-in-1 Perfector pen. I got like a concealer shade and like a contour shade. These burn the shit out of my skin and I don't know why. I don't know if I'm allergic to them. These just need to go. This is my favorite contour shade. This is by Westman Atelier. Really amazing neutral contour shade in a cream. Really don't ever use the Photo Finish Smashbox, so I'm gonna also get rid of this. Let's see what these are like. Are you guys dry yet? Or no, I mean, you are pretty wet still. I think I'm gonna keep Diamond Dust and get rid of Bronze Bell because I'm never gonna use this color. These both are staying. These are the Auric ones. I guess I should keep these, right? These are my like little lashes, but I feel like the ones that are used need to go. And I really don't want this in this bulky thing, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, this is the thing that I need to think about. I don't think I'm ever gonna use these shades, and these are the Makeup Geek ones. Unfortunately, I just don't reach for them. And I just got another palette that kind of has these shades in it, so I'm just gonna get rid of them and maybe figure out what to do with this guy. And then I have this highlighter that I legitimately never use, so I also just need to get rid of this. I also have these lashes. Have these been used? No, these are brand new, so I guess I need to keep that. Can I cut this? I might cut this. Eyeshadows. Brand new palette. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna put this kind of in here. I'm gonna keep the Soft Glam for now as well. I have a contour palette that I'm gonna put in here. Okay, first of all, this does need to be organized by, could these stand in here? Oh my God, yeah, that can stand in here. That's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go like this, and like this, and like this, and these can go over here. Yep, okay, dope. That, okay, then I have this Champagne Pop, which is perfect. I'm gonna keep that. I also have a NARS Laguna bronzer. I think it's called a Laguna bronzer. I love this. It's super tiny, but it's still lasting me, so I'm gonna put that on top of there. Okay, so I have Beverly Hills, and then I have Beverly Hills. I think I'm gonna just open up this new one and get rid of that because this one is old. I'm gonna keep both of these highlighters by Merit, and I am gonna keep the Merit bronzer because the Merit bronzer is nice for when I want a cream bronzer. I kind of put that there because that makes sense. I have a liquid liner from ABH that's new, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one size one because it's old. The ABH mascara is gonna stay in here, and I have two other mascaras like this that I need to kind of place like back here, like so. I do have a powder that I need to place here, and I have one dry blush by Vive, which I still love. This will also kind of just scooch in right here where the powders are. Okay, eyeliner can kind of go in here. I have two brow products, which those can kind of just slide in here as well. I'll be able to tell them apart, that's fine. Another eyebrow product. What color are you? You are Auburn. You know, I'm gonna keep you because this brownie shade is probably still good for me, so I'm gonna keep that. Gonna just scooch that in there. Another eye thing and another eye thing. How similar are these? Not at all. Yeah, these are very different. I'm gonna keep both them because I like them a lot. Slide this stuff over and kind of load these into here. And then have these right there. Another mascara, it's the Merit one. I'm gonna just slide that in there. I hate the Pixie eyeliner, so we're just gonna get rid of that. This is an eye pencil. This is also an eye pencil, but this is so dry. Makeup Geek, bye. I'm gonna put that with the mascaras. This can go on top of the mascaras over here. This is also an eye product. It's gonna go on top of the cream shadows. Sharpener can kind of go back here. Okay, I hate this all-in-one tinted moisturizer by Smashbox as well, so that's gonna go in the trash. This, I'm getting a replacement, but I'm gonna keep this until that is here in my house. I need to go over my lip products, which I do have a decent amount of lip products, and I really don't use them all. I don't use Bullet red lipsticks, so this is gotta go. I do love both of these colors, so these are staying, and they're gonna go back into this little pouch. I love this red as well, Rose Ink, going in the pouch. All my lip liners, which funny enough, are they all similar? Let's swatch them. So the Vive is up top and MAC Strip Down is here. A tiny bit darker and a tiny bit more like warm orangey. And then this is my Iconic Nude. Oh, that is a stunning color. I'm obsessed with this guy. They're all gonna go in here. Slip, I do really like slip. I feel like slip complements a lot of different things. Gonna keep that. Tiger. Do I use tiger? Now that my hair is all dark, I'm gonna kind of play around with it and see how I feel. I love this Vive color. It's like a peachy pinky nude, really good for like the middle of the lip. And then what is this bite? Okay, it's like a peachy. I'm gonna keep this bite one too. Sometimes I do like to mix things. I'm not a huge gloss girl, so I'm gonna get rid of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I am going to keep these two lip products. That's, I feel like, pretty nice. This kind of just gets put wherever it fits. Okay, now we pretty much just have brushes. And brushes just kind of go into this guy. Not all are clean. Don't come for me on that. They used to be washed, but it's not time mentally for me to wash them yet. Kind of need to update some of these brushes soon, I think. This is a eyebrow pencil brush. I'm gonna kind of put that with the eyebrow stuff. I'm gonna just put this, I think, like that on top of my foundations. And this can just kind of sit right there. Getting rid of the old glue because why would I keep that? I don't think I'm gonna mess with these. I'm just kind of gonna shove them back there. This needs to go to the bathroom. This can just kind of sit in there. I mean, I think this is pretty good. Pretty neat and organized, I would say. Look at how pretty and neat and organized everything is. I mean, obviously I will have to like move things to get to other things, but that's about as good as I can get. How little space I have and still having the makeup that I want and need. I'm gonna give myself 10 out of 10 on this clear out because I actually got rid of a good amount of stuff. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed watching me organize and fumble through getting rid of stuff. So see you in the next one. Bye.